give you a minute. Okay, so we start with these 3 points. To move every point twice as far from the x-axis, first of all, how far is this first point from the x-axis? Well, it has no distance zero distance from the x-axis. If you double that, it's still going to be where it was. At this point, now I drew a little arrow here indicating how far the point was from the x-axis. To double the distance, I would just put another arrow on top of it. Okay? And then I did the same thing with this point, and of course, the point that's furthest from the x-axis is going to move the furthest. And there's a tendency to move every point the same distance, but that is clearly not going to work. Okay? So if you do the 2 arrows, you get it, and you see that if you did a curve here, and if this is part of a parabola, not very well drawn because it really should start out horizontal here, but we'll worry about that later, that what we're getting would be a thinner parabola than the one we started with. And now we're going to move every point twice as close to the x-axis. And when we do that, well, we're just going to have to cut each of these arrows in half. It's going to give us a point like here, and a point like here, and that's going to give us a fatter parabola.